In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple gift cards on hotels.com at checkout. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to apply more than one gift card to a single booking, even though the site usually limits you to one code at checkout. Here's the key. Hotels.com typically allows only one gift card per booking when you pay online. The workaround is to combine the balances from multiple gift cards into a single card before you check out. Think of it like moving money from several small cards onto one larger card so the website sees just one code when you pay. Start by heading to the hotels.com balance merge page for your region. This tool is designed specifically to combine gift card balances. Enter the gift card number and PIN from your first card, then add the details from your second card and any others you want to include. You'll merge them into the first card, creating one gift card code with the total combined balance. Keep in mind, there's usually a limit to how many cards you can merge at once, and there's often a maximum balance allowed on a single card, commonly around $2,000, though this can vary by region. If the tool won't let you merge a card that's already been combined before, reach out to hotels.com gift card support for help. Before you move on, double-check that all cards are valid for your country's site and in the same currency, and take a quick screenshot or write down the merged code and remaining balance. Once your balances are combined, you're ready to book. Search for your hotel and select your room and dates as usual. At checkout, choose gift card as your payment method. Enter the merged gift card code and PIN, and the system will deduct the booking total from that combined balance. If your booking costs more than the gift card covers, you can pay the difference with a credit or debit card. If your booking costs less, the leftover amount stays on the merged card for a future reservation. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're booking a pay now rate that accepts gift cards at checkout, since some pay at property rates don't. Keep your original card details until your booking is confirmed, just in case you need to reference them. And if you run into an error when entering the code, retype it carefully and confirm you're on the correct regional site. That's it. Merge first, then pay with the single combined card at checkout.